Assalamu alaikum friends.
Assalamu alaikum friends.
My name is Sadaf and this is
Ismail.
And today we're going to review lesson number 2. So let's see. It's Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail teach Islam. Ishmael, do you know who Prophet Ibrahim is?
Is that the same prophet as Prophet Ibrahim?
It sure is. It's the same prophet as Prophet Ibrahim. Ibrahim is Arabic word and Abraham is the English version of the same name.
Is Prophet Ibrahim the same prophet who brought Allah's message?
That is right. Prophet Ibrahim is the same prophet who brought Allah's message, and you know why they brought Allah's message?
Because all the bad people started doing shirk and started doing bad stuff and saying Allah isn't powerful and they were doing bad things.
That is right.
And not listening to Allah and not praying to Allah and being bad so much.
Yeah.
And they started praying to different different pillars and stuff like that.
Yes, they started praying to different gods and they made different idols out of it. They said Allah is not very powerful, Allah has son and Allah has daughters, and they destroyed the religion. They started making their own things and they kind of went away from the main core religions.
Like lying, stealing, and cheating?
That's right. And also they made idols out of sticks and stones and started calling them God. So Prophet Ibrahim Is came to remind people what Allah was all about.
Is Prophet Ismail the same prophet as Prophet Ismail?
Absolutely. And you have the same name as Prophet Ismail or Ishmael. Ismail is the Arabic word and Ishmael is the English version of the same name.
I'm Ishmael, but I'm not a prophet.
That is right. You share the same name with the Prophet Ismail or Prophet Ishmael. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Can you tell me more about Prophet Ismail?
Yes, of course. So Prophet Ismail or Prophet Ishmael is the son of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. And do you know what they both did together? Like Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail, what they both did together?
They made Kabbah.
Good job. They both built Kabbah together. So Prophet Ibrahim is the father of Prophet Ismail and they both built Kabbah together. Ishmael, do you know what else Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail did?
They spread message of Allah.
That is right. They spread message of Allah and they taught Islam to all the other people who had forgotten Allah's way. There's only one God, Allah. Allah created everything. No one is like him. No one shares his power. He has no partners. He has no son or daughter.
Christians believe that Jesus is the Son of God.
That is right. Christians believe that Jesus is the Son of God. But Muslims respect Jesus, or in Arabic, Prophet Isa, as Prophet of Allah, just like Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail alayhi salam.
What else did Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail taught people?
What else did they teach? They taught people that we should not worship or pray to false gods or idols. We should obey Allah. We should be good to other people. We should not be mean to people.
What is Maqam-e-Ibrahim? My friend told me, but I forgot.
Oh, Maqam-e-Ibrahim is also a place of Ibrahim or the footprints of Prophet Ibrahim. So it's right next to Kabbah. There is a little pillar sort of thing where if you look inside, you can see footprints of Prophet Ibrahim. It's the place that holds Prophet Ibrahim's footprints. When Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail were building Kabbah and Kabbah became too high for the Prophet Ibrahim, Prophet Ismail gave him a stone to step on. It is like a stool, so he can step on it and reach higher. That stone left his footprints, and we can still see them at Maqam-e-Ibrahim, which is next to Kabbah.
Why did Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail build Kabbah?
Why did they build Kabbah? That's a good question. They built Kabbah so people can worship Allah. It is the direction that all Muslims face to pray, no matter which part of the world they are. It creates unity.
So all the prophets came to teach people, but they forgot?
Yes, so all the prophets Allah came to teach people, and people would still forget it, so Allah would send more prophets to teach them again, and they would kind of go away from the right path. So they would keep forgetting what the teaching of Allah was, what the right path was. So all the prophets kept coming to tell people what is good, what is bad, what is right, what is wrong, all those things. Prophet Ismail also came to teach people the true teachings of Allah. Right? Friends, I hope you enjoyed lesson number 2 and you learned something about Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail. In the next session, we're going to talk about lesson number 3, Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu
Alaihi Wasallam.
He's the last prophet, so we're going to talk about him, okay? So we're going to meet again next time. But also, don't forget to like and subscribe our video so you can get the new lesson really quickly, okay? So
and also press that thumbs up.
Yes, press the thumbs up, and we're gonna talk to you next time. So until then, what are we going to say?
Allah Hafiz!
Allah Hafiz. Bye, friends.
See you next time.